Hi, this is another one of my automated projects I'd like to show you. I made this once before out of wood and it wasn't quite done, and so I had to rebuild it, and I was just in the process of switching over to 3D printing. So this one's made with a 3D printer. It's all plastic. It works by this mechanism down here. This is called a Scotch yoke mechanism. This rotary motion here will push this rod up and down. And that rod, as it comes up, will grab one M&M on the top of the rod and push it out through the top. The brush will brush it off down into the exit, and then it dumps it down into the spiral exit, and gravity takes it down to the bottom. Now let's watch it happen. We'll do one slow motion here so you can watch it. There you can see the rod coming up with just one M&M, and when it gets to the top, just as it gets to the top, it gets brushed off and down the chute. Look at a little bit of the rest of the mechanism here. Here we have what's called a ratchet and pawl mechanism, and that's to prevent you from turning backwards. It locks it up. If you turned it backwards, the M&M would come out the top here and go out the back. Go out the front. Then the other part of the mechanism is the lift mechanism, or the brush mechanism. This cam pushes this up and down, and then through this linkage mechanism here, there's a swivel it connects to, and that in turn will swivel this brush at just the right time. When that M&M gets to the top, brush it off into the exit ramp. Let's take a look at a few more going through the... So, that's my M&M project. Thanks for watching.